Hello YouTube and welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how it's possible to unlock your phone using a sausage by simply transferring your fingerprint into the sausage. So let's get started. As you guys can see, I need to use my fingerprint to unlock my phone right now. So now the first step is we're gonna take the sausage and we're gonna press for 20 seconds. You guys gonna see that this fingerprint is so accurate you could actually add it to your phone. By this time we're gonna prepare our phone. Now I'm gonna hide my code. Alright, and we're gonna go for add fingerprint, and we're gonna add our fingerprint that we just printed on the sausage. So let's start. Okay, so the first step is complete. We're gonna go for the second step. Okay, so now let's check it out and see if it works. There you go. As you guys can see, it works as if I'm using my finger. There you go. We'll try this again. It really works. So there you go guys. As you guys can see, using a sausage really does the job. It's a pretty simple way to transfer your fingerprint and you can unlock your phone with it. One more time. Works perfectly. So I'm gonna try to show you my fingerprints on the sausage. You're gonna see them clearly. It's around here. So that's what's making it possible to unlock the phone. There you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to fixitsamo and we will see you next time.